What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we are checking out the Brinkley Model Z 2670. This fifth wheel is pretty small because it's under 30 feet. It's 29 feet and some change. But what's really nice about this RV is that it is only about 10,000 pounds dry, so it's not too heavy. But let's go ahead and check out the outside and then we'll head inside. All right, so this Brinkley fifth wheel is equipped with the Curt Helix pin box, which is a pin box system that really offers quite a smooth ride. Over to the opposing camp side is where you're going to have all of your water bay, your sewage bay, and then your hot water heater and your power connections. This right here is a really nice underbelly storage area. You have your electric leveling system right here, and then you have all of your water connections. And what's nice about this is that your RV connections are going to be inside and not on the outside. So it keeps everything protected in the winter and from the elements. And then right here is a flap to where you can run your water hose out. Heading down to the side, this fifth wheel has the rack and pinion system. So that right there is going to be a system that basically operates a lot better. And it's probably one of the best systems on the market. And something that's really great about it is that whenever you are traveling, this one has a bathroom that isn't really accessible whenever the slide's closed. So with a rack and pinion, you're allowed to, or you're able to put the slide out at least a foot and then bring it back in. You don't have to go all the way out and then bring it all the way in. On the back of this Brinkley fifth wheel, you have your ladder, a large frameless window, and you also have some really nice underbelly storage, which this right here is great for throwing some camp chairs back there and putting some things that you'll have a lot easier access to instead of up in your underbelly storage area. This RV is also equipped with a trailer hitch that I believe tows, well, you can't tow with it, but you can put a bike rack, or you can put one of those storage carriers on the back. You can carry about 300 pounds. Over on the camp side, you have, at the very front of this RV is going to be your propane tanks. Now you're gonna have one on this side and then one on the other side as well. This RV is going to have a wonderful awning that basically spans almost the entire campsite, and then you have your other access point for the underbelly storage area. Right here is going to be your outdoor fridge, so pretty large. Makes getting into the fridge much easier instead of running in and out. All right, so whenever you get a Brinkley, you're gonna get Cooper tires, but you're also going to get a really great suspension system, and that right there kind of ties into the Curt Helix pin box. All right, before we head into this RV, there's a couple things to talk about in the entryway. First up, Brinkley's come standard with the RV lock. The RV lock is such a great lock. I love the one on my camper. If you guys want to get one, you can use the discount code RVTalk10 for 10% off. So if you're looking to upgrade yours on your camper, that is a great product. But with the Brinkley, it comes standard. You also have your solid steps on this RV, which are really nice. And then you're gonna have the really large grab handle. All right, let's head inside. All right, so now that we are inside of the Brinkley Model Z 2670, there's a lot to talk about. This right here is a really great kitchen layout. I absolutely love tons of windows when it comes to the kitchens and your camper. This one is a pretty neat setup. You may be wondering, where is the dinette? Well, it's actually right here. And this is something that Brinkley designed to where it's a 4-position desk. So you have the ability to slide it out, and then you can add extension pieces there to create a large table, or you can also use it as one big desk. It's got a ton of different options, as you can see right here. Over here, you've got nice pull-out silverware drawers. You got another one right here. It's a lot easier to get to it when the desk isn't in the way. But you've got lots of pull-out drawers. You do have a Furrion backup camera that comes standard with Brinkley's. And all of the cabinets are soft close. Over here, you're gonna have your trash bin and then the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. This is such a nice feature, and they put it in every one of their RVs. Now, you have a large TV that sits right across from the really nice reclining sofas. So this right here is the sofa. You're gonna have heat and I believe massage, no, just heat. And then you do have a lever to open up the recliners. And these recliners go all the way back to the wall. You also have wireless phone charging, so you can just pull out your phone, pop it in, and it'll start charging immediately. So in the back of this RV, you're going to have a huge trifold sofa. So this right here turns into probably a queen size bed. It might even be a king, but this is a large space. And something that's really nice about Brinkley's is that they utilize this side space. A lot of the space in the rear of fifth wheels are quite wasted, but this one, they give you a cabinet that opens somehow to the side right there, opens up, gives you lots of extra storage, and then you also have a charging station over on the side. Instead of Brinkley just making a straight wall of cabinets, they decided to angle them to give you the most amount of possible space. So this is a lot of great storage space. And they also added these nice lights, and they're flush. They don't, you know, come down out of the ceiling. They're pretty much flush into the ceiling, so really nice touch there. You also have some really nice lighting up here. All right, so now that we have toured the living space, now it's time to check out the kitchen side of the large kitchen space. So you have a full-blown oven, which is really nice. And then you also have a really nice pull-out drawer, soft close. Up here, you're gonna have a huge microwave. I mean, this thing is huge. This is no small camper microwave. You have lots of cabinet space up above the microwave, alongside the microwave, and even this large corner cabinet, which is huge. Over here is going to be your farmhouse sink. You do have a rolling little topper there. Really nice deep farmhouse sink, sprayer faucet, and then you got some more storage space under there. Over here is your large refrigerator. So you're gonna have your freezer on one side and then your refrigerator on the other side. And you also have this huge cabinet space right here with pull-out drawers. And I mean, this is really nice. And something else that is really nice that Brinkley thinks about these things is that they installed an outlet here in the cabinet. So if you have a appliance that you need to plug in, it's right there and you don't have to leave it out on your counter. Now it's time to head up into the bedroom. You've got a nice grab handle here on the wall, a window right here, which Brinkley's got a really cool design where you have a screen on the bottom and then a blackout on the top, and it magnets together and you can go either way you want. Over here is going to be your bathroom. So this is the hallway up to the area. You have your door that closes off the space and a magnetic knob right here which holds the door handle. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, so up here you've got a nice shelf to put some towels, some towel hooks, your toilet, which is porcelain, and then you've got this really cool toilet paper holder that's magnetic, and it basically gets held on the wall while you're driving. This is a pretty large shower. I'm 6 foot and have plenty of headroom. What's nice is that the shower head sits just a little bit above me, so that's definitely a plus. And then you do have the sliding glass door. So overall, pretty nice shower. All right, so in the bathroom, you have a small hidden compartment right here, which is nice because then you can put your stuff in the bedroom and access it through the bathroom. Now into the bedroom. All right, so now that we are up in the front bedroom, this bedroom is pretty nice. For a smaller fifth wheel, you have quite a bit of headroom. I mean, I'm standing in the front corner and my head's just starting to touch the ceiling. Up front, there is a decent amount of cabinet space. They definitely used every bit of space that they could. And then you do have all of this beautiful trim in here. And what's nice about this is that this isn't peel and stick wallpaper. It's an actual Sherwin-Williams paint color. So if you ever get a scratch, you have the ability to replace it or repaint. All right, so that right there is going to do it for the tour of the 2025 Brinkley Model Z 2670. This right here is a great floor plan for couples because it's under 30 feet and doesn't weigh that much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tours. There's a lot to come from this RV show. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.